Guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do something different that I haven't done before, and that is I'm going to show you the code right away, and then we're going to get to the demo. Now, there's already a YouTube short of the code running, so I'll link it in the description. So let's start with the code. So the first thing you'll note is that we import Pico 0, but we're also importing digital output device, PWM output device, and LED. Then, of course, we have Bluetooth, and then we import BLE simple peripheral. We set up the BLE, we set up the peripheral, and then we set up our pins. For the motors, we use pins 0, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, it's like GP0, GP1, GP2, GP3. For PWM, we do 4, 5, and for the LED, we do 6. You can pick whatever pins you want. It doesn't matter. First, we use the blink on the eye, and it'll be n equals 4. This is just to make sure it still works, because I've had it not work a few times. That's just due to insufficient power, so this is done as a sanity check. We initialize the motor state to 0, and then we have our main function, which is the only one we should be concerned about, where we set up the motor state here as a global. We print the data received and then whatever the data is. So we have our forward, backward, left, and right. There's no stop because there's no need for a stop. Because when we press the button again, or the macro, it will update to stop. So in this case, for forward, we have not motor state, which is 1. So if we press the button, it'll simply subtract 1, which will be 0, and then it will stop all the pins. And this will be true for the other directions too. And then we set up our PWM to half or full, depending on which one you want. You can add more PWM, for example, you can add 0.25 or 0.6 or 0.8. Doesn't matter. And then we have our loop here, our while true loop, where as long as it's connected, we do the right on Rx. And that's it. And notice it's saved as main.py so that it can run without having to connect to an external power source, without having to connect to a PC. So you'll have to connect to an external power source, but once you have it on main.py, you can unplug it, plug it to a power supply like a USB power supply, and that's it. You're ready to go. So that's it for the code, and I'm going to show you a quick demo, and that will be it for the video. Hey guys, the demo is ready. So as you can see, I have the app. So let's get to it. First, I have to put full. Sorry, I had it backwards. So I have pressed full. I pressed forward first, then I should have pressed full first. So, or half. Battery's a bit off, but it still works. I just need to add new batteries and it should work better. But as you can see, it still works regardless. So there you go. That's the demo. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.